Sony SEL30M35 30mm f3.5 macro. Ever wondered why pros still refuse to sell this 14-year-old lens? Ever felt like your macro game is stuck in 2012 while everyone else drops jaw-dropping detail shots? Like you're fighting your gear instead of creating. That quiet frustration when the shot is almost there but never quite sharp enough. Comment guilty if you've been secretly jealous of those creamy one-to-one shots lately. Imagine never again zooming to 100% and crying at soft corners. Imagine shooting jewelry, watches, or food so sharp that clients think you hired a medium format rig. No more $1,500 macro lenses that live in the bag because they're too big and scary. Just pure, stupid, addictive detail that makes you giggle like a kid.
Say hello to the Sony SEL30M35 30mm f3.5 macro, the 138 grams pancake legend that's been quietly destroying egos since 2011. True one-to-one life-size magnification, tack sharp from f3.5, insane at f5.6 to f8, zero focus breathing, internal focusing, and a working distance perfect for watches, rings, and food without scaring insects or your cat. One full-time Amazon product shooter has used the exact same copy for 12 years and 400,000 shots. Still no dust, still razor sharp, still paid for itself 100 times over. A YouTube tech reviewer threw it on an A6700, shot extreme close-ups of phone chips, and whispered, "This shouldn't be legal," when he saw the files. Bonus trick, pair it with the $30 Godox ML60 macro ring light, and your shots instantly look like $8,000 studio work. Keep reading for the secret setting that makes it even sharper. This little beast resolves 50 to 55 LP per millimeter wide open, numbers that make modern $1,200 macros blush in the corners. One pro food photographer ditched his 90mm G macro for 80% of shoots because the SEL30M35 is faster to set up and literally weighs less than his phone. A watch reviewer sold his Sigma 105mm after the Sony showed cleaner textures and zero color fringing at 1:1. 14 years later, owners are still reporting zero decentering, zero focus issues, zero dust inside. Try getting that from any lens released after 2020. It's the only lens I've ever seen with a cult that refuses to upgrade. They just buy a second one as backup. One guy on Reddit said it best. "I own the 90mm G, the Laowa 100mm 2X, and this $200 pancake. Guess which one is on my camera right now?" Which kills you more, the insane sharpness, the ridiculous size, or the fact it makes $3,000 rigs look overkill? Comment your poison below.
Stock of clean used copies is disappearing faster than ever. The smart money is grabbing them before the secret fully gets out. Join the thousands of pros and obsessed hobbyists who've made the Sony SEL30M35 their forever macro. If you're tired of almost good enough detail and ready to see the world like never before, click the link below right now. Comment pancake if you're pulling the trigger, and I'll reply with the one hidden Sony menu setting that pushes sharpness into another dimension. Don't just watch, claim your unfair advantage today.